AO.30 Kennett River House by MGAO in Kennett River, Australia. This project is located in Kennett River, a small coastal town situated along the Great Ocean Road in Victoria. The site itself is a thin plot of land, located high up on the hillside ridge. The unique site provides three key views, the first being a view downhill back toward the Kennett River township, the second view over the neighboring dwelling toward ocean views of Bass Strait, and the third a distance view of the Great Ocean Road, heading toward Wye River. These three views provided the basis for the design. The project brief was for a small holiday house, one far removed from any notion of domesticity. The proposed three-story design provides a series of stacked rooms, each with a key function, for example, bathing, sleeping, eating, and living. Each of these rooms specifically frames one of the key views mentioned above, allowing each function to be characterized by a particular aspect. This approach was proposed as a way of ensuring that the internal experience of the house would be as ever-changing as the natural landscape that surrounds it.